a distributor, you are becoming like an aggregator.
As in?
So you create a platform. You create a platform where all the brands use your platform.
Not only the brands, I'm looking at different merchants from different industry, not only from e-commerce industry. So I'm going to sell everything and everything. That's why the whole tagline of my NutriFirst and change to the next big thing is all about lifestyle and wellness, not about wellness alone. Lifestyle includes everything. Whatever you're wearing, whatever you're using, whatever you're eating.
So to draw a parallel, it would be like a Zalora of fitness.
Sort of.
Because Zalora doesn't really have their own brand.
They are more in fashion, so a bit like Lazada.
A bit like
Lazada is
Lazada.
trying to do it, but I believe they have done to certain degree of success only. So there's a lot of room for improvement. It's by Rocket International Group, which is an $8 billion group. So I believe in Singapore there's 4 e-marketplace right now. We are the 5th, and most of them are backed up by $1 billion group. EasyBuy by Jack Ma, $1 billion worth, right? The Lazada that we spoke about, even Q10, I believe they are of a certain level, heavily funded. And I can't remember what's the 4th. Then Witmark, also co-founded by, this is one of the investors, but co-founded by Facebook, also $1 billion worth. We are the 5th, the only black horse in the $1 billion league. So that's where I want to be. You will never be able to spend $1 billion. You may be like almost impossible, but it's for the recognition. It's a challenge. It's why I'm challenging
Who's
myself.
funding you on your platform? Is someone funding you?
Spring Singapore.
That's all?
Yeah, that's all. That's all. I have a few investors, but they don't want the NutriFirst part. They want the next big thing. But I'm not willing to break it up at the moment because if I'm unable to generate the sales at a certain level, I'm not willing to let go first. Because if I'm going to let go now, to you as a business idea, you invest, I'm going to bring in this amount per shares. Yeah, so I don't think I want to do it now. So probably 1 year down the road, 2 years down, I got an amount of merchant with me. Then that's where I'm going to liquidate some of my shares.
So why should the merchants go with your platform instead of other more well-funded and more established platforms?
Okay, Lazada they have traffic, but I believe we have easily half their traffic, and we are only selling supplements only. Yeah, Lazada is probably pretty new, I guess, like 2 or 3 years in the market. So why use us? Compared to other platforms, I believe there's a fee involved, right? For us, we got no fee. If we don't sell anything, we don't get anything. So if we sell something for you, services, products, or anything, we charge 10%, and including PayPal charges. That means we are taking care of PayPal charges. So I'm left with only down with about 6.8%, 6.2%. I got to pay for the processing fee, etc. So I hope to achieve about 2 to 3% in excess, and
So
that's where my money
can I
is.
buy what I can buy on your platform on other platforms?
No, through my platform, because I want the traffic. I want the traffic. So what's in the new commercial era now? Whoever owns the base owns the world. Am I right to say so? You look at the Forbes $1 billion list, a lot are from property, but you need to have an adequate amount to invest in property before you can make it. There's finance people which is your shares, but a lot of luck involved, and I don't think I'm that caliber. So third, there is the new rich, so-called the new rich, are technology-based companies. Yeah, and that's where I want to be.
No, so what I'm asking is that whatever products that I can buy on your platform, can I find the same product on another platform?
Yes, it's not exclusive.
So how does your platform distinguish itself?
Okay, a bit different from Witmark, Lazada, because they sell you almost anything and everything. Yes, we sell you everything and everything, but we are streamlined to probably like more wellness products.
Okay.
Even to sell you groceries, we sell you higher quality groceries, organic groceries, healthier groceries. So basically, we streamline the choice for you. So as a consumer, that there's some, I would say, selling point that we are different from the rest.